Hi everyone, this is Variety Stick and we're back again for another video. In this video, I will provide unboxing and review for the Samsung Tab 9 Plus 5G. This tablet available through Metro by T-Mobile. So Metro customer, they have the ability to go to Metro store, add this tablet and pay only $15 for unlimited service to use the tablet everywhere they go using the 5G network. In addition to this, Metro offer such a great deal if you add the tablet to your current plan. First, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, hit the bell and give me thumbs up, and without any further ado, let's find out. Now before we do the unboxing and talk about the main specification, let me go back to the price because this is the most important thing, especially for Metro by T-Mobile customer. Now if you decide to purchase this tablet as 5G, it will cost you $279, which is a lot of money for some people. Now if you want to buy the Wi-Fi version, $169, around $150. It depends on the time you buy the tablet itself. But if you want to go to Metro, if you are exist customer more than 30 days, adding this tablet, again as I said, they will give you unlimited data for $15, which is great in my opinion, and then you will get a huge discount, so the price will knock from $279 to only $50. So I would say this is a great deal from Metro by T-Mobile. Always make sure to check your local Metro store for more updates on prices. Now let's take a quick look on the main specifications, starting with the display. I believe the most important aspect for any tablet, the size of the screen. This tablet offers 11 inches with 1200 by 1920 for the resolution. You guys can expect something similar to full high definition with 206 PPI. That because we do not have high quality screen, TFT, LCD, not even IPS, not even Super AMOLED as we know from Samsung, but the tablet still will offer you 90 Hz refresh rate. Body to screen ratio is going to be 80%, so the tablet has little thin bezel. It's not going to be bezel-less as we see in other Samsung devices. The weight of the tablet is good in my opinion, equivalent to 422 gram, which is equal to 1 pound. Still in my opinion, for 11-inch tablet, the tablet is not heavy. It's not gonna bother you if you wanna grab it in your hand or even use the tablet in one hand. Now going to the operating system, the operating system will be customized Android for Samsung. Samsung use the One UI version 6 made specifically for Samsung tablet. It has the option for Samsung DeX. You can connect it also to Windows. Has the ability to use the tablet as laptop, which is something nice to see. Also multitasking, multi-windows are available in this tablet, which is going to show you later on this video. Now for the hardware, so this tablet comes in two different memory sizes. The one that Metro carries 64 with 4 GB of RAM, but if you want to buy somewhere else, you have the ability to go buy 128 with 8 GB of RAM, which is what we recommend, but definitely is going to be more pricey. The processor is Snapdragon 9500 5G 6 nanometer, and I believe this processor will perform very well, whether you want to play video games or you want to open multiple apps at the same time. If you want to use it as a laptop or PC with Samsung DeX, you should be fine. The tablet should handle most of the tasks you want. Moving to the camera, this is one of the less attractive things to me in this tablet, that because we have 8 megapixel with autofocus, video recording 1080p at 30 fps, 5 megapixel for the front facing camera, so you guys not gonna expect anything, and we're not gonna even focus on the camera on this tablet. Battery 7040 milliamp, support 15 watt. I would say 15 watts is not enough. Tablet with a big battery, you need at least a 25 watt in my opinion. Now you guys need to know this tablet will offer Dolby stereo speaker. It will be 4, so this tablet for the sound should give you the best experience if you want to watch videos, put your Netflix. I believe you're gonna enjoy if you don't have external speaker or if you want to use earbuds. Also, you guys need to know this tablet is not military grade, so be careful about any liquid it's gonna damage the tablet, and also does not have NFC. And now let's get straight into the unboxing. As you guys see, this is the package, very tiny box. It shows the logo of the Galaxy Tab and picture for the tab itself. Galaxy Tab A9 Plus 5G. As you guys can see, nothing really special and fancy. Let me go ahead and crack the sealing from here, and it should be inside this sleeve. Go ahead, take this out, and the presentation for me, it's nice. It's wrapped in this nice also sleeve or little bag here. Let's go ahead and take this off, and the first thing you guys are gonna see, which is the tablet itself. Now the build of this tablet is gonna be absolutely plastic, but it feels nice. It seems like fingerprint is going to be very magnet. I just grabbed the tablet and so much fingerprint. Camera here, and we're going to have also volume up control, power, and the C to charge. And we have 2 speaker fire from the bottom, and also we're going to have another 2 more speaker. They're going to be Dolby stereo, as I said. Now the experience for the sound system, it should be great in this tab. Let me set this on the side just to see if there is anything else coming with this tablet. So we're gonna have a little box over here. If you open, we're gonna see C to C, so it does not come with a charger, and then some instruction manual stuff, and also SIM ejector tool. And by the way, this tablet also has the eSIM, so you can do either eSIM or you can use a physical SIM card. Now let me go back to the tablet itself. I'm going to show you something. Here's, you have a connection for the dock in case if you want to connect keyboard and a mouse and use it as a laptop or mini laptop. That should also be available in this tablet. We're going to go ahead, turn this tablet on, and we're going to be doing some tests and show you video games performance and some of the features available through this tablet, and we will be back.
2,000 years later.
Now after spending a little while with the tablet, let me go ahead kick off with my thoughts about the display. Now as we use a large screen, you're going to be able to see the resolution, the effect of high resolution on the devices. You're not going to be able to see this on cell phone, that because you have very tiny display. 720p or 1080p would be great, but when you have 11-inch tablet, you're going to see the effect of low resolution. You will be able to see some pixels and the amount of PPI, colors not very vibrant as we expect from Samsung devices in general. That because Samsung, they wanna knock the price down for this tablet, so they didn't give much attention to the tablet. In my opinion, this is completely wrong. Now for any tablet, the main reason you buy it because it will give you the Android experience with a large scale like this tablet. But that does not mean the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus has a terrible display, but you guys are going to be able to see the difference between any OLED screen and this TFT display, especially with the brightness level. Using the tablet outside, you're going to see some drops in the color, and also the resolution, you can tell it's not high resolution, but to a certain point is acceptable. 90 Hz refresh rate also going to give you a nice experience using the tablet, especially moving between apps and transitioning between screen to screen is going to be acceptable. And definitely the display is not the best thing about this tablet. Now the operating system on this tablet is loaded with the latest right now, Android 14, at least on the time I'm recording the video, with One UI version 6, which is a customized operating system from Samsung. Now the operating system, one of the things distinguish the tablet from your cell phone, since both loaded with Android and they share the same applications and give you a similar experience. Samsung has decided to customize this tablet where you can use it as like a mini PC or a laptop. In addition to this, they have the ability to put keyboard and mouse, or even connect the whole tablet to another large screen and use Samsung DeX. Now I believe utilizing the larger screen on the tablet is very important thing, that because this tablet has the ability for application only. You can do this if you want to play video games. When you open apps, let's say we want to open a browser here, immediately you're going to get status bar here. It's going to give you also options to add more applications. For example, if we want to choose maybe YouTube in addition to the browser over here, we can go to YouTube. grab the application just like this and split the screen. Now we have two apps open at the same time, and also you can open the text message app, for example, and you have three applications open at the same time, and you can definitely use one application if that's what you want, and you have the option to go vertical or horizontal, the way you like to use your tablet. Now also, if you pay attention to Chrome browser, it's going to give you the same experience as like a PC or Mac. It's not going to look like a cell phone browser, which is something nice in case you want a keyboard, laptop, you want to use this for business, and you want a full experience of using any browser. This is, in my opinion, such a nice thing. This tablet has so many other features over here. If we go here, we're going to be able to see that you can link to your PC with Windows, and also you can use the Samsung DeX. This will be for another video. I just don't want this video to be too long. I just want to highlight the main features you can do. Now the rest of the features is going to be very similar to your cell phone, except the multitasking, the DeX, and linking to the Windows. This is going to be a plus for the tablet. Overall, I like the operating system, the way Samsung customized and made this to be useful for people when you use the tablet. Since the tablet is very small, you can take it with you, especially if you do a job outside. You're required to have a PC or laptop, but you don't want to carry something large with you. And I believe the tablet will does the job with no problem. Now it's very nice to maximize your usage for the tablet by multitasking, use it as like a mini PC as I said before, but that's not enough if you don't have good hardware. And it seems to me the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus offer decent performance in the hardware. First I did the Geekbench, and it seems like the number is very decent. So we got on the single core 913 and multi-core 1992. It seems like perform very well. I haven't noticed any issues with most of the video games I play, or with multitasking, no delay or slow down on the application. And we can also show you samples of the video games we play, and most of them plays very well, rather to be high graphics or low graphics. I haven't noticed no issues. The only thing I doubt, it's 64, especially if you want to have documents, if you want to capture pictures. I would say you can add memory card and expand the storage, or start with 128 gigs. For performance with 64 4GB, I have no complaints whatsoever. At the end of the day, you are not breaking the bank with this tablet. Still very affordable, and if you go to Metro, it only costs $50. Now the last thing I would like to share my thoughts will be the battery. 7000 milliamp I thought will last longer than what I expected, but after using the tablet for a few days, I've noticed tablet could last 9 to 10 hours screen on time. Definitely it depends on how you use the tablet. Video games will consume more. Watching videos, keep the screen on, definitely will consume more of the power, but you guys gonna expect between 8 to 10 hours as range screen on time on the tablet. It's not too bad, better than most of the laptops in my opinion. So especially if you want to go do business, take it with you outside. You don't want to keep charging the tablet all the time, but the tablet speed charging, it's not great. That's one of the things that bothers me a lot. I would like to see 25 watts, and you guys gonna expect more than 3 hours to fully charge the tablet from 0% to 100%. Now, is the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus 5G a terrible tablet? Definitely no. Not the best display, of course. The hardware performance is very reasonable. I like it. I haven't noticed issues. The operating system, the software, the split screens, ability to connect to Samsung DeX, link it to your Windows, all these good features on the software absolutely make a huge difference. Camera is absolutely terrible, that's why I didn't focus on the camera on this video. Battery also perform very well to a certain point. The charging speed is the problem on the 15. Overall, it's a great tablet, especially if you go on a Metro, and if you're an existing customer, join Metro, add the tablet, pay only $50, $15 unlimited. For more details, always make sure to contact your local Metro by T-Mobile store. That was very much it. This is VarietyTech. Thanks so much everyone for watching. As always, subscribe, give me thumbs up, and we will talk to you in the next video.